automated suggestions for your shopping. Now, sometimes AliExpress does a pretty good job. The suggestions they bring up in their never-ending emails are actually relevant to things I've bought in the past. You know, my recent purchase is bracers. Well, I call them suspenders in America. Basically, you know, instead of a belt. Elastic hair ties. It's not for women. I've got long hair. I'm a bloke. A high-powered ultrasonic dog repellent. In other words, my neighbour's dog fucks me off. And what are suggestions they give to me from those purchases? A Kit Kat duvet. Glass beads. I have bought glass beads for my distilling. An exercise bench. Nope. An amputated leg brace. Autistic bondage gear. I dread to fucking think what that is, and I'm scared to click on it. It looks very rubbery. Distilling equipment. Yes, I have looked at those. A gas exchange penis enlarger air extractor. Nope, I don't think so. Knee brace. Yes, I bought one of those. Yeah, their suggestions tend to go off the fucking rails with the bondage, amputation, autistic, whatever the fuck that is. Suggestions. Yeah. I'm not quite sure which way to go on this.